In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a party invitation in Google Docs. This process is straightforward and creative, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautifully crafted invitation ready to share with your guests. Let's begin by focusing on the text of your party invitation. Start by opening a new document in Google Docs. Once you have your blank canvas, type in the details of your party. You're going to want this information to stand out. So to get started, make sure that your text is aligned in the center of the page. This can easily be done by clicking the center alignment icon in the toolbar at the top of your document. Put in all the details you need, like the occasion, date, time, venue, and any other important information your guests will need to know. Now that you've got the text arranged nicely, let's move on to adding a decorative border to give your invitation that extra flair. For this part, we'll need an image of a border that you like. You can find a wide variety of them online. A good source is pageborders.net, but feel free to search for any other website that works for you. Browse through the options and choose a border that best fits the theme of your party. Once you've found the perfect border, download it to your computer. If you already have an image saved, that's great. You're one step ahead. With the border image ready, it's time to add it to your document. In Google Docs, go to the top menu and click on Insert, then choose Image and select Upload from Computer. Look for the border file you downloaded on your desktop or wherever you saved it, then select and open it. The border image will appear in your document. To ensure your border sits correctly behind your text, click on the image and then choose the Behind Text option from the list that appears. This setting allows your text to remain visible while laying the image as your background. Next, you'll see 3 vertical dots to the right of the image. Click on this to access image options. Within this menu, select Position and then choose Fix Position on Page. This will enable you to adjust the border's position to get it exactly where you'd like it. Simply drag it around until everything looks just right. And there you have it. That's how to make a party invitation in Google Docs. You've successfully created a beautiful, personalized invitation without leaving your desk. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and useful tech tips just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your party.